welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you the basics of Simul8 software, and you can download it from official website of simul8.com. Here we go. Let's open the software. This will take a few time to open. Here we go. I have the Simul8 basic version of the software. So here, create new option we have, and we can create blank simulation, process mind simulation, XML simulation, and template for any simulation of flow diagram, and likewise the other things. So in order to open an existing software or a template or Simul8 file you have already developed in other system, or you have downloaded from internet sources, or your existing project on Simul8, you can simply open it from your computer. You can browse the file. I have recently opened file final base model 730 start time. Let's open this. Here you can see we have multiple things. Here is a complete Simul8 software which I have already developed for my client. We can check another one. Here we go. You can run this simulation, this template by pressing here. If you want to reset, you can click on this, run trial. This will runs the trial setup and the trial calculator. So here is the all for today. If you want pre-developed Simul8 systems, Simul8 software, Simul8 simulations, any kind of simulation, you can comment below. I will provide this free of cost.